You can see we have the two nuts off. In case you couldn't see what I was doing before because my hand was in the way, basically what I've done is I've taken off the two nuts. There's one on this side as well, so that the feed motor can come right off. A little bit sticky. Okay, so we have it off. You just pulled that off of there, and as you can see, I had vacuumed up some of the stuff, but we're going to clean that. So we're just going to set that out of the way. And you can see those where the studs are, where that goes on. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the feed carpet straight out. Now you see there's stuff on it, plus underneath it's full of fines. It's very important you do this every year so that you can get those fines out of there. We're going to set the feed carpet down, and we're going to vacuum all that out and inspect everything.